Really? What would you like to say?
Well, I have a question to ask you. The baptism of John, was it from God or was it from man?
Douche. What? No, no, you're not gonna. No, no, I'm not choking myself. What would you like? Douche. What? Say that again. Mm-hmm. Wow, that's not good. Douche. Oh, you're a bad boy. Call me a douche. What does the kitty say? Meow. What does the doggy say? Roof. What do you say?
This is my blood. The blood of the covenant shed for the forgiveness of sins.
You're a bad boy. That's really bad. Call me a douche like that. What would you like to say? Hello. Hello to you too, little boy.
Until I drink it again with you in the kingdom of my Father.
Hello. Hello. You're a good boy. Good boy. Good fella. Ah, yes, good hero. Hello. Yeah, I know. You're very nice. Your brother's a... Yeah, I'm afraid your brother's a douche. A douche. Let me go talk to him for a second. Let's see what he's got to say. Here, what do you got to say? Hmm? Douche. There you go. That's about it.